Come test drive the 1995 CK1500. The Chevrolet CK series offers comfort, convenience, and powertrain options so extensive that it can be tailored to almost any buyer's needs and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, power brakes, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.